Hi guys, my name is Salman Sheikh and welcome back to Capital Investments. And yes, you read the thumbnail right. This is a higher risk naked option selling in Nestle, where the contract size is 10 lakhs plus. So let me explain you. Before moving on to my ZERODHA terminal, I will just show this Nestle chart to you. And this is the monthly chart and the long-term trend line which I have drawn. And I have chosen this low and this low, whereas this month is like March 2020, and then we had this low, and this month was Feb 2018, and after that there is a new trajectory, and this thing it went low but it's not touching here again. Hence I took a smaller trajectory where I chose this low and then I chose this low and then draw this graph. Okay, and then this same line trend I have used as a clone and drawn the upper half. Now looking at this, I also feel that this 2020, if I reject this and I take the recent one, I can get one more line, and I'll just draw this. So this is the low, and I'll go through these lows, and yes, this goes very close by, and I'll change the color. Okay, just clone this one. I've cloned this and I've placed it at this high because I'm seeing quite an upside potential. So let's just go dig a little deeper in 1 day chart, and hence in 1 day chart I can see that I have drawn this multiple lines and multiple channels, but at the same time, even if I consider the blue channel, it's quite in the center, and even if I consider red channel, it is at the top, but at the same time 1900 is over here. But Nestle is quite a bullish stock, and 20,000 is supposed to be a very good psychological level. So I think when it crossed 20,000, and this is the line, I'll just draw the horizontal line as well for you all. So this is the 20,000 horizontal line. So here it's been consolidating quite a lot, and this is a psychological level, and hence I thought that at this level it will stay for quite some time and it will not come down, and hence I thought to sell a 19,000 put. Now this definitely is not a safe put because Nestle can move 100 points every day and it can come down in 10 days itself. Now we are sitting on say 15th of September, and definitely in 10 days it can come down to 19,000, and hence this is a highly risky trade. Now I'll just show you my ZERODHA terminal to understand the risk and reward. Before moving on to the ZERODHA terminal, let's just analyze the daily chart of Nestle India with the volume profile, and you can see there is a support volume at these levels, that is 19,835. So here when it went lower, so there was a support volume and then the market profiled it forward, and hence I thought key 1900 I can sell it, although it's a risky. So here you can see it took a breakout candle here and surpassed 1900 without any objection in a single day. So that was also one of the reasons, although it is still a risky trade, and if it comes in the money I'll have to give the 10 lakh delivery. So here is the chart, and this premium you can see 75 is 35, so it's only 3,500. We'll see the put option prices if we could have sold it any better price, and definitely it went up slightly today. Yes, so today if we see, then it had a high of around 77.05. so yes, at 77 also we could have sold. That's just 350 rupees higher from if we consider 7 points damage, but that's not an issue. It closed around 72, so I had sold it around 71, and I have other trades of Tech Mahindra Titan which are in profit. So this is about the Nestle risky trade. So here you will only have to pay the margin of 1,20,000. So 3,500 for 1,20,000. I'll just show you. This is around 2.9%. So it's only 3%, and that is fine. If you have some spare cash, you only take this trade at that time. So what was the logic behind taking this trade? Definitely I had some spare cash and I had squared off my Reliance trade because it was in decent profits, and holding puts any longer doesn't give any value to you. Hence I took this Nestle trade. Plus I wanted to try my hand and understand Nestle because Nestle is not been one of my focus stocks. I have just added it recently because it was going down, And to understand and practice this, I have taken here. This is the Nestle option chain of 28th October, and you can see it's not being traded here. It's completely illiquid. These prices are not realized actually. So the prices are quite low, the bets that I had got. So the buy orders were quite low, and hence I could not sell it in October. Even in September, the current month, the liquidity is quite less, and it was liquid only over a year, and then it was liquid at 20,000. So all these strike prices are illiquid. So as such, Nestle moves very slowly, and that was also one of the reasons I sold this put, because it moves extremely slowly. So by the time it comes from 20,000 to 19,000, it's going to take a long time. So this candle is a very surprising candle. In a single day, it went from a low of 18,555 to 19,641. So this was 20th of August. I don't know what happened on 20th August. So this 1000 point move, I do not expect that it will come in a downside, but yes, when it comes, if it comes, when it comes, but yes, if and when it comes, definitely I'll have to take the delivery. So why did I sold this? Because I'm interested in this stock actually, and this is a very good stock, FMCG stock, and because this is very high in price, 20,000. Not many retailers come over here or do anything kind of a speculation. Only the FIs and the DIS play in this stock, and hence I feel this should be quite stable. In the daily chart, you can see that long-term congestion is here at 17,650 or something like that. So 17,500 levels, it stayed for quite a long time, and there was a volume built up. So many people have accumulated over here, and now the stock has taken a bullish journey. And I feel the second phase of accumulation is coming over here. So at 20,000, there will be an accumulation phase. For 15 days, it's a 3% trade, and I'll be swearing off in September itself. And 3% for 15 days, so that is approximately 6% for 1 month. That is a good trade, I feel, in Nestle. And this is naked, extremely naked option selling. Here if you see, after 19,000, below that there is nothing liquid, so you cannot even buy any hedge. So there is no option to purchase any hedge as well, and all these strike prices are illiquid, so nobody is trading over here. And directly there is 20,000, and 20,000 you can get at a risk of around 295. So yeah, let's just check the graph of 20,000 put. This is the 20,000 put. So in case you wanted to increase the risk, and if you feel no, this 3,500 is not good enough for me, I want to take more risk, then here, yes, you could have taken more risk in this. And let me tell you, this option you can sell it at the same price of around 1,63,000. Yes, and today if you had sold this, and if you had got a good price of high around 288.95, so and this was hitting a low of 169.05. Suppose you even got a 250 over here, not even 288 or 250. So 250 premium collected will be 12,500, and so 12,500 premium for 1,63,000 will turn out to be 7.6% as your interest, and definitely for 1 month it would be 15% interest. So this would be highly risky. So you would be getting 15% on your capital, on your margin, but at the same time coming below 20,000 and expiring below 20,000 is quite a high probability, and you would have to take compulsory delivery of 10 lakhs. So in case you have that, we can go ahead and do it, or you can square it off in loss if it goes below 20,000, and then buy futures to recover the loss. So that all you can do, but then again, this is very risky to do in this stock because of liquidity issue. So there isn't much liquidity. Even if you sell a call, you cannot sell it in the next month. Calls and puts and everything are illiquid, and you can only get these prices like 20,000 and then 21,000. So think and do it how you want to do it. So I have explained it to you. In case this goes in the money, you have to either take delivery, or you can go long in futures to recover your loss, provided Nestle shoots up next month, and if it doesn't, then you'll have to keep on rolling over. So this is the Nestle future, and holding the future will cost you 1,79,000. So over and all, if you have around 3 to 5 lakhs, then try to enter Nestle trade, otherwise try to keep away. And in case you have 10 lakhs capital for taking delivery, then that would be the best. So that was all about Nestle, guys. Let's check out quickly the post market report. Start with Dow Jones, and you can see that the Dow Jones again it fell today and it's moving towards this support line, although the fall is only 0.84%, and the VIX surprisingly fell down. So VIX is down 2.83% and it's around 2.77%. So volatility index of the S&P 500, it fell down with Dow Jones falling, so that's surprising. Although I feel they are quite comfortable at this level because it's not even falling in such speed, because earlier the fall was quite intensive and then it took support, and this seems like a consolidating phase, but only time will tell if it is going to touch this line and cross below it. So we'll have to just wait and watch. Coming to SGX Nifty, SGX Nifty is again showing a positive momentum, and after this consolidation phase it seems there is a breakout and now it is moving towards 18,000. So Nifty shows the same graph, and this is a breakout candle and it is moving towards 18,000. So this seems like a Darvas box breakout to me, although I still feel that in my previous analysis I had shown that 17,550 was the Fibonacci level, and I will still wait for becoming ultra bullish, and in case it crosses 17,550, and definitely 18,000 is going to be very easy. So this is the Elliott Wave. I'll just show you. So this is the consolidation phase of Nifty. Now from here it started bouncing up. So this is the point 0, the initiation. Here is the point 1. It hit a peak over here, then it hit a low at point 2. Again it went till here, point 3, and then it again retraced back to point 4, and this is the fifth wave. So what happens in this fifth wave? So this wave is extremely bullish wave. So this wave is extremely bullish wave, and we do not know where is the high of this wave. So I will just draw it as an average. So this is just an average line. So on an average, I think 18,000 it will reach even in September. So according to this average line, I will just show you. So this is average line of Elliott Wave, and it seems to go to 18,000 in the September itself. So according to Elliott Wave pattern, yes, definitely this momentum is going to be extremely huge. But according to Fibonacci retracement, so there is 550 level is still a retracement kind of a level. There is the Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty, same old story, consolidation. Today it's a positive bias. So nothing much to do over here. So this is the Darvas box of Bank Nifty, this one. So because earlier it's also following the Darvas box pattern. So here I will just move it forward. So box is not breaking. So box is still there. Now let's check the open interest analysis and see how things have moved. If we check the Nifty 50 heat map, here we could see the NTPC had quite a run today. So it rallied around 7.27%. So in case you had invested in NTPC, it is amazing. Enjoy the profits. Congratulations. And the stocks which are going down from Nifty 50, here you could see that it was Tata Consumers, that is 0.91% down, and Nestle was just 0.5% down, whereas Grasim was 0.51% down. Let's also check the FII-DI pattern, and here you can see the reason for the bullishness, and you can see that the FII-DI net they are buying quite too much. Net they are buying too much, and I think even today FIIs and DIIs have bought too much, and that is the reason why Nifty has rose 0.8% higher. Here you can see the FII-DI buying pattern, and 14 September. Here you can see the Nifty was 0.14% up, and then FIIs and EIs net buying was in positive. So NTPC, despite being so fast today and it's rising too much, but the IV was still high, so it would be a good chance to sell options. Z was the top price loser, that is 2.26%, although it has rose 41%, that's nothing. So let's analyze the open interest. Nifty 16 September open interest, and you can see all in the money calls have been unwound, and a strong addition of 17,500 puts. So it doesn't seem that market is going to turn back, but at the same time 17,600 puts are quite strong. But tomorrow it may change. Nifty may gap up or it may gap down, anything can happen. So tomorrow expiry is going to be very crucial. Let's check the Nifty month end, and yes, month end you can see the positive momentum. 17,500 is taken out completely, and this is the put option addition, and overall volume of put options has increased from here. Let's just check the far month, that is 28th October, and yes, 28th October also 17,500 is very strong, and in case somebody wants a safe and a freebie trade, then 17,000 is definitely a freebie. I don't think markets are going to turn back in October and it's going to come down till 17,000. So extremely bullish. Everybody is bullish. FIs, DIs, retailers, everybody is bullish. Although it is said that when everybody turns bullish, it's time to turn bearish. It's time to turn cautious. Anything can happen, but I think this bullishness will last for a few more days. So let the market show some bearish trends, then we can start becoming bearish. So this is the Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty again consolidation phase and the call edition 37,000 call edition. So Bank Nifty is going in a phase where it is very nice to do straddles. So in case you are doing intraday straddles, Bank Nifty is definitely very nice. These days, earlier it wasn't. Earlier it used to go very huge swings, but these days it's not doing anything. Even by month end data, yes, 37,000 call is strong, but as well as put is strong. So again, Bank Nifty will straddle around 37,000. Let's check the FAR month. For FAR month again, 37,000 put addition is significant and call addition is at 38,000, and hence you will see that the resistance is still there in Bank Nifty. But if you saw Nifty, then it 20th October, so the calls are here, but also the put addition is here. So people are making straddles of 18,000 in October. So I think these are the smart people. If Nifty doesn't stop moving forward tomorrow, I think even I might straddle at 18,000. So let's see if Nifty follows this Elliott Wave pattern and shows us the run of the mill rally. So that's it from my side. Thank you so much for watching.
So if you like the video, do hit the like button and share it with your friends. If you dislike the video, then do hit the dislike button. Just do it twice to be doubly sure. If you find this content knowledgeable, do share it with your friends and family as well. If you want me to explain about some specific strategy, or if you have doubts and queries in this strategy or any other techniques in options trading, do let me know in the comments below. I will definitely respond to all of your comments and queries. Thank you so much for watching. See you in next video. Until then, adios.
My name is Salman Sheikh. Capital Investments is the name of my company. If you're new to this channel, then please do visit my channel and watch the videos. I have created very good videos for you. If you're a basic options trader and you're learning options trading, do check out my initial 4 videos. And in case you are advanced and have been following me regularly, please do check out my daily stock options trade and daily analysis of post market report.